In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Microsoft Outlook quickly following the 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned Outlook user or someone just starting out, adding images to your emails can make your messages more engaging and visually appealing. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Outlook's web portal by visiting https://outlook.office.com and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can see all your emails. The next step involves composing a new email, and this is quite straightforward. Look toward the upper left corner of your screen and you'll see the New Message button. Go ahead and click that, and a fresh email window will pop up on your screen. Once the new message window is open, focus your attention on the toolbar at the bottom of this message area. Among the various icons, you'll see an image icon that looks like a small picture frame, the classic symbol. Click this image icon to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll be presented with options regarding where you'd like to get your image from. If the image is stored on your computer, select Upload from this computer. Alternatively, if your image is saved in your OneDrive, choose Choose from OneDrive. After selecting the appropriate source, navigate to your image file, select it, and then click either Open or Insert. Your selected image will now appear right within your email message, integrated inline with your text. Seeing your image in the email might prompt you to make a few adjustments. You can easily resize or align the image to better fit your layout. Simply click on the image. You'll notice resize handles appear along its edges. By dragging these handles, you can adjust the image size to your liking. Additionally, the toolbar also offers options for alignment, allowing you to make sure your image is positioned exactly where and how you want it in the message. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively insert images into your emails using Microsoft Outlook, thus enriching your communication with visual elements. Adding images not only aids in getting your point across more clearly, but also helps to grab the attention and interest of your readers. Thanks for watching today's guide on inserting images into your Outlook emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Happy emailing!